What's up guys, Dean here, Blue Ridge Overland Gear. Today on our show, we're gonna be going over Overland Driving 101.
Cut. Typically this just goes so good. Like, dude, you're great at this.
If you would film it at the tires like the cool videos on YouTube.
You think my filming is affecting your driving?
Just in case you lose it in the ocean. I hook it up here. Now we have our line.
I can't put my finger on it, man. Something's not working. I don't know what it is. Cut. Dude, I am not feeling it. Are you even trying to get the car up the hill?
I'm just trying to get the car up the hill.
Have you eaten anything today?
No, you didn't feed me.
You are not yourself when you're hungry. Get me the Snactical Candy Bar Pouch. Better?
Better. Let's hit the trail.